Hello folks, I've had a few questions about the progress of my motorcycle project, so I'll give you a little show how far it's gone. But first of all, I like to show some of my machines. So here is a cylindrical grinder, manual lathe, saw, manual milling machine, surface grinder, CNC lathe, CNC machining center, spark erosion. It doesn't work, but okay, here is the rather untidy shop where I keep all my parts and stuff. So it's quite too little space in here, but I'll try to clean it out. No, I won't. But okay, here are the parts that I made. These are finished, and the parts on the yellowish cloth is semi-finished. So what I do is I machine everything in a lathe first, and then I take them in the CNC mill afterwards. So these are gear wheels and camshafts and some other parts.